Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing an unboxing. I have something from Damned Designs. It is the Oasis Lite. It is a Zerk slider. It's a slider that has 3 rows and 5 levels of magnets. It sounds kind of cool. So that's why I got it. I also got it because it was Zerk polished in flamed black, and that also sounded kind of cool. So, yeah, let's just jump right into it. Jump right into it. The Oasis Lite. I haven't heard of Damned Designs before I got this. I just kind of like stumbled across it. Ooh, this is pretty. Fancy. Damned Designs. damneddesigns.com. Alright, so let's open this. Plastic. I want to pull it. Ooh. It's pretty heavy. Move this stuff out of the way. Wow. That's cool. Whoa. The lights are making this look crazy. That looks neat though. It is definitely polished. Is it getting kind of like that oil slick look? Hard to tell. But it's nice. So it's, ooh. Yeah, it's got 3 rows and 5 levels of magnets. So there's the 3 rows and then the 5 levels. It's smooth. On the website, it looked matte, so I thought I might be getting a matte one, even though it said, you know, Zerk polished and flamed black. But it's very smooth, even the inside. Can't really hard to do. It's not like you can just turn it and do normal, I guess, tricks or whatever. It's a little unwieldy a little bit. There we go. Now I'm getting... To use it is a little tough. The magnets could definitely be stronger. Yeah. Is this some kind of film on here? It's good for going up and down, but for it feels like a film. I wonder if it would be better if that was off. I don't know. All right, let's I mean, all right. So it's about, yeah, 60 millimeters long by 30 30.3 wide or so. Yeah. So 60 by 30.3 or so. And then it's about 80 grams. I just really wish the magnets were stronger. That's my one qualm here. Is it just... Then I could do things like this, and I don't know, when I press it, it just kind of wants to go out. I like it, but I want to like it more. Because here's my other long slider. It's the Fidget Things Brass Tab 2, and I can do all sorts of things with this. You know, the magnets here are strong. It just... Yeah. See? This has 2 rows of magnets. It's 2 by 7, I think. Oh, and then I drop it. Yes, this 2 by 7 is quite strong, so it stays together. And I just... I don't know. I just want this one to be better. Here's my other all Zerk one, and this one is also very strong. Well, yeah, it's got very strong... I mean, you can replace the magnets in this one. I got like and 52s in here, I think. So half of them are. The other ones are N35s. And I don't know the magnet strength of these. It doesn't say on the website. But this film, it is a film, right? Yeah, there's some kind of film on here. And I'm sure it makes it easier to slide. Or it's like, I think it's making them stick together. If I take it off, would it be more difficult to slide? I don't know. Or would they fall apart easier? Maybe I just have to learn this. I don't know. I should probably just leave it alone. So this is the Damned Designs Oasis Lite. It's nice. I'd like it. I just want to like it more. It's just weak. I don't know, what do they expect you to do with this slider? I guess just go up and down. It's good at that. It feels really nice in the hand. Like, the different textures. I do like that. Yeah. It's cool. I was gonna say, I enjoy it. I mean, I guess I'm not gonna take it anywhere because it's, well, I don't know, maybe. But I wouldn't do much with it other than up and down, this kind of thing. Oh no. Sorry, that's my dog. So I guess he isn't a fan. So yeah, this has been the unboxing of the Damned Designs Oasis Lite. It is it's very pretty, very pretty. I do enjoy it. I like how it looks. I like how it looks. I like how it feels in the hand. So that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you were thinking about getting this Oasis Lite, I hope now you know a little bit more about it and you're more informed. Yeah, so you can make your decision. Yeah, please like this video. Please subscribe for more content like this. And yeah, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. And I will see you in the next video. Alright, guys. Bye.